The iPhone 17 Pro and 17 Pro Max come with a brand new design and a more advanced camera setup, along with enough changes to reaffirm their status as Apple's premium phones. But the cost is getting a Pro just went up, even if you are getting more storage as part of the deal. The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max chip is pretty powerful, offering a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU, complete with neural accelerators built into each core for better AI performance. The bigger question is, how long will the performance last? The iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max use a new vapor chamber cooling system that's designed to deliver better sustained performance. Therefore, you should be able to game for longer without suffering performance drop-offs from overheating. I loaded up Arknight's Enfield on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and the ray tracing effects look amazing on the display, which is complemented by the smooth frame rates. I really couldn't tell if the vapor chamber cooling system was working because I only got to run the game for a short time. We'll have more telling results when we put the iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max through some testing in our labs. At $1,099 for the iPhone 17 Pro and $1,199 for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, Apple has held the line on pricing. Sort of like I mentioned earlier, the iPhone 17 Pro is $100 more, but you get 256GB storage to start, matching the base capacity of the Pro Max. Between the two, I would put my money on the iPhone 17 Pro Max because of its larger display and likely longer battery life, all while being only $100 more to pick up. The Pro looks almost cute by comparison, but it is certainly capable for a phone of its size.